Understanding System Maintenance, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very important phrase that you might have come across if you use computers, websites, or any kind of digital service: system maintenance. We'll explore what it means, why it's necessary, and some examples to help you understand it better. So, let's get started. System maintenance refers to the process of keeping a computer system or network running smoothly. This involves checking, repairing, and updating hardware and software to ensure everything works efficiently and securely. Think of it as a regular health checkup, but for computers and networks instead of people. System maintenance is crucial for several reasons. Improves performance. Regular maintenance helps keep systems running quickly and efficiently. Prevents problems. By identifying and fixing issues early, it reduces the risk of bigger problems in the future. Enhances security. Updating software ensures that security measures are up to date, protecting against viruses and hackers. There are a few different types of system maintenance, including preventive maintenance, routine checks and updates to prevent problems; corrective maintenance, fixing issues after they've occurred; adaptive maintenance, updating systems in response to changes in the environment or technology; perfective maintenance, improving system performance and functionality over time. Let's look at some common examples. Installing updates on your computer or smartphone. Replacing old hardware, like a failing hard drive. Running antivirus scans to remove malware. Cleaning up files to free up space and improve speed. System maintenance might sound technical, but it's essentially about keeping digital services running smoothly and securely. Whether it's updating your phone, running a virus scan, or just cleaning out old files, regular maintenance is key to a hassle-free digital experience. I hope this video has shed some light on what system maintenance means and why it's so important. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.